Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.
You guys had touched a little bit about training that takes place in that facility. And then I think maybe the whole concept of training and providing training and development opportunities for employees probably fits into the whole idea of culture there at Luckstone. But maybe you guys can touch on one or two things that you guys are doing at Rockville that maybe specifically are done to enhance employee development. How you guys are utilizing that facility to better people, better them as workers, but better them just as people.
Yeah, one thing I think we do that I really like, and we talk about that family atmosphere, family feeling when you get here. So week one, when you're hired at Luck, you go through some values training. So you start learning about yourself, but also learning values of other people and how to interact. And then after that first week over at the corporate office, the guys come here, and instead of immediately start task training, a new haul truck driver, a new pit loader operator in their role, that whole second week, they spend, a day with me, a day with Mitchell and Charlie. And then they start bouncing around for that first week, spending time in every role on site, and not necessarily to learn the role, but somewhat understand what's going on, but to build that relationship. So they know that guy that, they see getting a pit loader every day and go down in the pit, if they're working in the tertiary. It builds that relationship and creates a bond immediately. They're not just a new guy. It eats the shyness. It kind of gets rid of that in the morning safety meetings. They feel comfortable enough to speak up right away.
Yeah, and also, in other different departments, Luckstone as a whole, somebody gets hired in finance or accounting or risk or comedy, where it may be at. Everybody spends some time out in the field. So we see throughout the year, I'd say at least 10 different people that come for a week or so just to kind of hang out, see what everybody does at the site. And we kind of start them from ground zero and let them ride around with myself, Bobby, the other supervisor. Then we kind of start pit stuff, do some blasting, plant. They kind of get to bounce around and see everything. And again, that's just that culture of creating that, we're one team, one dream. And people in finance and accounting and other companies might not ever get to see that. And it's good for everybody to kind of know what's going on and know what's really going on out there.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit their website to learn about new innovative conveyor drive technology, delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors.